Hello everyone, welcome back in today Python video. This is a day 11. Now we will learn a logical operator first of all. Logical operator are used when we want to combine two or more conditions. They help to decide whether a condition is true or false. There are three logical operators in Python: and, or, and not. Let's understand each of them. First, first of all, we understand and operator. And operator returns true only if both conditions are true. This is a truth table for and operator. If both values are true, like true and true, it becomes true. Like this. If both conditions like if any one condition is false, it becomes false. Like true and false, it become false. Basically that's it. False and true, it become false, and false also, it becomes a false. Let's like imagine you are signing into a website. You need the correct user, like name, username, and you need to correct enter the user password also. Even one of them is wrong, you cannot log in the website. First example we are writing here: a is equal to true, b is equal to true. So we are print here a and b. Like if in and operator, if both condition are true, it become true. If a is true and b is true, like true and true, it becomes true. We will check here. The output will be in cd 200 days, 200 days. Okay, now python day 11.py, the result will be true. Okay, now we will check some other, like we are writing here false. Okay, so true and false. If any value is not correct, the and operator, it become a false. Like the result will be false. We will check here. The result will be false. Okay, and now we will check here. Okay, false and true, it also become false. Okay, now we will check both of side. False and false, it also become a false. Okay, for example, we are using here username equal to true. Okay, and password is equal to false. Then username and password, print username and password, it becomes false because one of them is false. Like true and false, it becomes false. If my username is, if my username is true and like correct, but my password is wrong, we cannot log in the website. We will check here. Like load this. False. If both of them is correct, like username and password, both of them are correct, then we are logging in the website. There it is. This is true. Okay. Now we will go to the OR operator. Okay. The OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. Basically, this is the truth table of OR operator. If 1 and 1, it becomes 1, 1 and 0, it becomes 0, because I mean 1 and 0, it becomes 1, and 0 and 1, it becomes 1, and 0 and 0, it becomes 0. Basically, if one of them is correct, it would be a correct. Like if one of them is true, it becomes true value. Like true and true, it becomes true. True and false, it becomes true. False and true, it becomes True and false, it becomes a false value. Okay, imagine you are we are using one example like that. Imagine you are allowed to enter a club if you have a membership card or a VIP pass. Even if you have only one of them, you can still enter it. Okay, first of all we are using some examples. A is equal to true, B is equal to false. Okay, so we are writing here print A or B. Like here is at least one value is correct. So here is at least one value is correct. Okay, so the result will be true. Why? For or operator, if any values are correct, so the result will be true. Like true or false, it becomes true. You can check also here. It becomes true. Now we will check for both values are true. Okay. Yeah, it true or true, it becomes also true. If both values are false, then the result will be false. Look at this. False and false. Just a second. False and false. The result will be false. Okay. Look at this. False and false. The result will be false. Okay. And we are using membership uh, example. Membership, VIP membership and VIP pass membership card. Just a second. Membership card and VIP pass. If one of them I have, the value will be true. Load this. If we have a, I want to enter the club. When I want to enter the club, if I have a membership card like membership card or a VIP pass, if any one of them I have, I will be entered in the club. Okay, or we have both of them, we are also entering the club. Like. That is true because I have a membership card and VIP pass also, so we will enter in the club. Okay. If I don't have any of them, like I don't have a VIP pass and also I don't have a membership card, so I cannot enter in the club. Like this. If I don't have both of them, like membership card and VIP pass, so I didn't enter in the club. Okay. Now we will go to not operator. The not operator simply reverse the result. It changes like a true into false. Like it's true, it becomes to false, and it's false, it becomes to true. Like that. If we are here where, yeah. If here is a is equal to false, so we are writing here print not a. Yeah, basically not true. Not true, it becomes false. Why? Because A is true, here, not true. It convert to it reversely to false. It is a reverse value basically. And now we will go to false. It becomes true. Okay. Now we will check here day 11.py. Lower this. Its first value is false and second value is true. Basically, the not operator only comes in the reverse the result, and true becomes false, false becomes true. Now you know how to Python use logical operator to combine evaluate conditions, and I think one example I think it will become for next day. These are used to like everywhere, especially used when if using loops or user authentication forms validation and many of real-time world exam programs. So keep practicing this example and you will master logical operator into no times. Therefore, uh, therefore watching, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next Python tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye bye.